welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon everyone. Happy Monday. Enjoy your day. First day of school and office. I'm here again in hello, WTC mo.
Mape, we're
I just dropped the empty bottle in the machine. Anyway, I hope and pray that our week is good. Stay safe and healthy everyone. Almost every day I come in here because we're near in this mall. The house where we live is very near here. Only one building away. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment if you have some suggestion how to improve my content. Just feel free to suggest and give idea. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Or send heart. Send stars. Anyway, this is the falcon bird. There pambansang ibon in UAE. The falcon. Bye guys. Enjoy your day everyone. Stay safe and healthy everyone. Bye.